up, y'all? Welcome back to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Danny K. Ain't no other way. How my Danny babies doing on this beautiful day? And I am back with yet another masterpiece. They wanna know.
Hey guys, so before we get started, I want to show you guys the type of hair that I am using. I am using a 3X Yaman Afro Kinky hair, and I just want to say that this is one of the best Afro Kinky hair that I've ever used. And if you can get to this hair at your beauty supply store, or if you can order it online, I highly recommend trying this hair because this hair is super soft and it does not tingle at all, and you will not regret it, I promise you. So as you can see, the first thing I am doing is box braiding my hair all around before I get to the next step of wrapping my hair. So as you can see, I did not braid the hair all the way down. Braiding it all the way down is optional and it is not necessary. So I just braided it long enough so that it would not unravel in the process of me wrapping the hair. So the wrapping part is pretty easy. All I am doing is taking the Afro Kinky hair and I am wrapping it around the braid, and I'm going to wrap it all the way down to the end of the hair. Check my girl out in the back helping me with my hair, and if your friends don't help you with your hair, then what do you have friends for? So shout out to my girl Sammy So, always coming through with the come through or whatever. You know, we had to get a little African on y'all because I was with my friends and I just wanted to do hood things with my friends, and we just wanted to go outside and play. And then there were two, not one, but two. Come on, y'all. Look at my friends coming through with the come through. Like, get you some real friends like mine, okay? So here I am just slowing it down to show you guys how I connected and parted my locks. So I just parted it how it was already parted. So I basically got two locks, and I am just going to braid those two locks into the weave, and I'm just braid it halfway down. Okay, so for my ends, I'm going to wrap it all the way down to where I want my hair to stop. And then I'm going to fold it and wrap it all the way up. Start wrapping it up. Continue wrapping it up. Yep. And then I'm just going to burn that piece right there. Yeah. So it can stick together. So once I wrap it up and there's no more hair, I'm just going to burn it.
Hey guys, I am back, and you guys already see that I finished the locks, and I also added some like jewelry and some cute little designs in it, some strings at the ends. I'm going to eventually do the whole ends. However, I'm going to have to do some of these over another time and not now, because this side is like longer than this side. So I'm going to have pretty much do this side, and this side just ain't going to have it until I do it over, and I'm not about to do it over now because I want to do this shit with my friends. And this is my last day with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and just like accessorize the back and this side, and then I'll just do this side over later at another date. You'll see that in a whole nother video. So don't even worry about trying to see the finished look when it's all done. I'm going to give you guys a finished look. Matter of fact, don't worry. Y'all going to see a finished look after this clip, because I just won't post this video until I finish this side, okay? But anyways, yeah, so I got my assistant here with me, and she helping me jewelryfy my hair so I can look like a real bohemian goddess, black motherfucking queen.
Period.
Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna burn that shit. We gonna burn it.
Yeah. Burn at work.
So I'm just gonna get me some oil, put it on my scalp, you know. Whew, that does feel good. My scalp is dry. Ooh. Ooh! I'm just gonna like massage it lightly on my scalp. Especially in the back. It's around my edges. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. I do have some edge control. I might like fix my edges a little bit. I did my edges earlier, but you know, I was out and about, so it kind of got messed up or whatever. So I'm just fix my edges a little bit, and then I am done. Like a little too small for this hairstyle. Like I have a small face and a skinny face and a big forehead, and it's like I just think my face is like kind of too skinny for this style. I guess this style to like kind of grow on me, but yeah, I just feel like my face is too skinny. I need some more locks. I guess that's why my real locks are small. Get with it or get lost. Hey guys, so I had to like revert to my phone camera because my regular camera card is full and it just stopped on me and didn't tell me anything. But I just want to do my outro, and I just want to say, make sure you, before you go anywhere, before you click out of this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Press that post notification bell so you can stay updated on all my new videos, and so that you don't miss a big comment what you think of this hairstyle. If you have any questions, also comment down below because I answer or whatever. But yeah, that is it. That is all, and that is what. Period.
Here are a few pictures of me with my hair finally done with different hairstyles. If you want to see a separate video of me styling my faux locks, let me know in the comments below, and I will do that for you.
So close to the top, I can feel it now. Tell me what's supposed to follow it down. I was caught in between a happy ever after in the grasp of my dreams. Thought I could have it all if I balanced everything, but life is not as simple as it seems.
So thank you guys for tuning in to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Dating K. Ain't no other way. I hope my dating babies have a beautiful day. Until next time, my loves, peace, love, and blessings.
Can't help but ask,